Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So I got a wig from a company called Hairsasa. I will leave all the information down below. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but I had never heard of this company before, so I was a little bit leery of working with them. But I went ahead and decided to go ahead and do it. Their wig just came in a regular DHL bag with nothing like a box showing their information or anything. So I did reach out to them and let them know that they should improve on that. People should know what they're getting and all of that good stuff. So but this is the wig. It is a supposedly a 26-inch deep wave or deep curly. I will leave it down in the description box which one I chose. But it did really well when I was bleaching the knots on it. It did really well. It's super early in the morning, so forgive my voice. I probably sound like a man, but it is what it is. I have to get these videos done how I can with my baby. So what I'm going to do now, I've already washed the unit, of course, once I bleach the knots and everything. So this is what the curl pattern is looking like. It's really pretty. And we will see how true to length it is once I put it on. But you can tell it does have layers. It is a very dense wig. It has a lot of hair on it. It's pretty heavy. So that is one thing to take into consideration. So I'm just going to use my even tinted lace in the medium brown. And I'm just going to put that on there. And then we're going to get started with the install on this wig. I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And the cap that I'm going to be using is the wig caps that I got from my local beauty supply store. They finally got like a deeper brown. So I am super excited about that. And if I haven't told you guys, I'll probably make a separate video on this. But I have been having some postpartum hair loss. And I have been super depressed about it. Like, honestly, like I will take a shower and there will literally be clumps of my hair coming out. And I'm like, be freaking out over it. It is absolutely horrible. So if you've been through postpartum hair loss, let me know some tips and tricks. A lot of people have been telling me to make sure that I stay on my prenatal vitamin, which I have started back taking. I had to get a different one because the one that my OB initially gave me for my low iron the pill was extremely big, for one, and I hate taking pills. And then also it was making me sick. So once I finally was able to like actually swallow the big horse pill, it then made me sick. So I had to go ahead and switch over to a different one. Now I'm on like a gummy. So I'm using those, and hopefully I won't have as much hair loss now. And I've started taking like biotin pills. The only bad thing about taking biotin pills is that I don't want the hair everywhere else on my body to heighten, I guess. Like, I don't want hair on my cootie cat getting like out of control. I don't want hair on my underarms getting out of control, having to shave like literally every single day. Like, that gets a little crazy after a while. So yeah, if you have been suffering from postpartum hair loss, please, please, please let me know some tips on some things that you did to get your hair back. And the thing is, I don't have like bald spots or I'm like completely edgeless or anything, because I've seen cases where people have been. So I am grateful for that. But it's just kind of like when you take a shower and you got hair coming out, that is not a good feeling at all. Like long strands, like everybody has that, the natural, like, shed hair, that just hair sheds. And one thing I didn't know was that when you're pregnant, your hair doesn't shed at all. So once you're not pregnant anymore, that shed hair kind of comes out. And I had no idea of that. I didn't even really notice when I was pregnant that no hair was coming out or shedding at all. And I definitely, washed my hair when I was pregnant. So maybe I just didn't notice that. I don't know. But my hair did get a lot thicker when I was pregnant. And it did, I don't know. It did, I don't know. I feel like, I don't remember it not shedding. But they say that's what happens and why a lot of women go through postpartum hair loss, because of that reason. And I had no idea of that, so.
But we more than just friends. Oh, this is too much, too much. I know I done screwed up. Thought it was true love. You left me unplugged, so just let me go on my way. Find me in bed, move to the baseline. I'm so done with these games, I'm tired of playing. You loving that playtime, and now you feel stupid, like a idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. We used to lay up every night, used to catch a little vibes, driving through the five. You know it feels right. Yeah, what happened to this? Every other day we back at it again. Oh, you said we only friends, but baby, next minute you tell me reach the ends. Oh, this is too much. This is too much to handle. I've had enough. I just need time for now. You feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. You have to make up your mind, 'cause time after time you don't know what you want inside. And I'm getting so tired of trying and shine when you haven't made up your mind. I had to let go, let go. I hope you ain't upset, though, set, though. I treated you so special, special. I really had to get gone, get gone. And even though I don't know what's in store, I know that I still want something more. And now you feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, 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 the limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. Limit down, limit down. Limit down.
Hey my love, so I'm back. I still don't have any makeup on, but before I take my picture, because I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, slay this face. But I went ahead and went to work. It is now 6:39 actually, 6:39 p.m. and this is what the hair is looking like. I went ahead and wet it again because it had gotten big, so I just wanted to put some more moisture. That is the key to curly hair. It just needs moisture all the time if you want that, unless you're going for that kind of bigger hair look, that kind of more natural frizzy type. But these curls are freaking gorgeous, just so pretty. So yeah, I am I'm still wondering why that the lace glue did not really adhere to this lace. I'm not sure if it was the lace or if it was, I don't know, because I wasn't sweating or anything, so I have no idea why. And I prepped my skin as well, so I'm not exactly sure why it wasn't sticking this time. But I've never had that issue with that lace glue ever, so yeah, I have no idea why it was like that. But overall, the hair is really pretty. I'm pretty sure that I might do a reinstallation video on this hair, so if you want to wait for that video to purchase this hair, you definitely can wait on that, because I am getting some shedding. The only con that I can think of with this hair so far anyway is that it does shed, which I can't really say that's a con so much, just because it is curly hair and it's a lot of curly hair, so you're going to get some shedding even like if this was my natural curly hair, I would have a lot of shedding. So but the other thing is there is no comb in the nape of this unit. There are only 2 combs in the front, which I don't like. I like to be able to see this flap. It just kind of flaps. I like to be able to put my hair up in a ponytail, so I'm kind of forced to wear this hair down, which I don't really care for. But other than that, this is I actually do like to wear it down, but I want to be able to have the versatility to put it up. So yeah, that's the only kind that I can think of right now. I will leave a link down below to this wig if you want to check it out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Yeah, and I will see you queens in my next video. Pray for me as I continue to pray for you guys, and I will see you queens in my next video. Deuces.